What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and another video. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this S14 portable monitor from FQQ. Now this portable monitor has been getting a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. It's a great option for those of you who need an optional display for work or entertainment without having to sacrifice portability. Now in this video, we'll take a look at what's inside this box, how to set it up, and also the performance of this portable monitor. So let's get started. So if you're someone like me, when it comes to working or playing on your desktop or laptop, you're probably someone who needs more than one screen to get things done. And even more when it comes to working on a laptop, especially because the screen real estate is so limited. So that's where this portable monitor from FQQ comes in handy. Not only is it an additional screen for your laptop, but it's also super portable so that you can carry it with you wherever you go. So according to the specs, when I first looked into buying this portable monitor, it does have a 14-inch IPS panel with a 1080p display. And as you can see, it does come in a pretty plain box and has a little bit of a weight to it. Now what you'll find in the box is the monitor itself, and it comes with its own packaging as well as a protective carrying case, which I wasn't expecting. Now the carrying case does seem very durable, and it's made up of this waterproof-like material, and it is very cushiony, and inside has got this soft little material to keep the screen safe from getting any kind of scratches. It is padded pretty well, so it is thick and will protect the monitor itself. Now it does seem like your typical laptop carrying case, which means they had portability in mind when they created this monitor. Now when it comes to the portable monitor itself, this model is a single additional display. However, they do have models where it's either a larger screen or it's a dual additional display, so you do have options. So as you can see, the independent packaging for this portable display is very nice. It's got a magnetic little box that allows you to open and close magnetically the box. Inside does have some pretty nice cushioning. So it's got this nice material to keep the monitor itself safe from getting scratched. So the first thing you'll notice that you get is a screen protector with an adhesive backing. So this will allow you to stick it to the display itself so you can protect the display from getting scratched or, dust or fingerprints. Then you get the display itself, which is this nice brushed metal look, although it is plastic. And what's nice is that this is extendable, so you can adjust it and fit it on a number of different sized laptops. So as you can see, the display does swing out, and there is a protective film on the LCD itself. So that's not as satisfying because it's just loud, but as you can see, it is a pretty nice display. It's a widescreen 16:9 display. So there are these clips at the top that allow you to clip it onto your laptop LCD, and then it expands to fit different size screens. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so on the side of the LCD itself, you've got a couple of buttons as well as a number of different connectors. The top button itself is a menu button, which allows you to switch between the different menus. And then you've got also the plus and minus button, which allows you to cycle through different options, select different features, or adjust the different brightness levels and settings. You've also got two USB-C ports, and I believe one is a USB-C plus power, and the other is just a plain USB-C port, as well as a mini HDMI port as well, which allows you to connect this to your laptop. And the monitor itself can swivel 180 degrees, which is nice. Now on the base unit itself, at the top, you've got these two adjustable clips, which allows you to clip this directly onto your laptop's LCD screen. And what you do is you slide this down onto the LCD itself, and these two pins at the bottom lock it in place, as well as these two clips at the top. Now it does come with these little caps for displays that are a little bit thinner than your standard LCD. Like a lot of displays these days are getting thinner, so this just accounts for the different sizes of LCDs that you can attach this to. So what you do with these little rubber caps is you slide them on the base itself and slide it down on to those thinner LCDs. So this just helps it to avoid the shaking that might happen on the much thinner LCD screens. And then what I like about this also is that this thing is adjustable for different sized laptops or different sized LCDs. So this thing can accommodate a lot of different laptops. Okay, so these are the rubber caps, and it comes with, I think, 6 of them, which means if you lose one, nothing to worry about because you have a lot of spares. Now, in addition to that, you also do get your HDMI cable. So this is a HDMI to mini HDMI. So the mini HDMI goes into the display itself, and then the HDMI goes into your laptop's connector. In addition to that, you do get 2 USB-C cables. One has this L-shaped hook on the side, and the other one is a USB-C to USB 3 cable. So this is more for transferring files and making sure that you can connect different things to this monitor. And then this one's to connect this display to your laptop's USB-C port display. You also get a cable tie. You also get a dry cloth to clean off the LCD screen. And then what I also like is that you get a power brick, a USB power brick, and this is a 5-volt power brick, which is something that I appreciate because a lot of products these days don't come with the power brick itself. So I'm glad that this one comes with a power brick that you can plug the USB-C cable in order to power this monitor itself if you're not powering it through your laptop. So that's always nice as well. And then what I also found when I was looking over this portable monitor is on the back, you've also got this kickstand, which also expands by holding this button down. And what's nice about this is, some people don't feel comfortable connecting this monitor to their LCD just because, it's pretty fragile feeling, especially when it's on a LCD and just weighs the LCD down. So what's nice about this kickstand is it allows you to independently seat the screen to the side, independent of your laptop, which gives you a little bit more flexibility on where you can put your display, which for a lot of people, they like having their display to the side, which this gives you the option to do. So it allows you to independently stand this up separately from your laptop itself. So that's also another pretty nice feature of this LCD. Now, the first thing that I noticed when I took this monitor out of the box was just how thin and lightweight this portable monitor is. The panel itself is just 0.35 inches thick, and this whole thing weighs only a little over a pound, which makes this thing super portable and super lightweight and easy to carry around. The monitor itself is compatible with most devices, including laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles, and a number of different things that you want to use this with. So for my specific use cases, I have been connecting this to my laptop when I travel using the USB-C cable for a second display, but I have also connected this to my Nintendo Switch just to play games when I'm traveling. And the nice thing about that is once I plug it in either using the USB-C cable or the HDMI cable, the monitor is recognized almost immediately. It's plug and play, so you definitely don't need to install any kind of drivers or software. Now, from a design and build quality perspective, the design of the S14 portable monitor from FQQ, as you can see, is sleek and modern. It's got this matte metallic finish, and it's also got a very slim bezel, which gives it a clean and minimalistic look. The build quality is also very impressive. The monitor itself feels super sturdy and is well made, and the protective cover adds an extra layer of protection when you're on the go. Now, when it comes to the display itself, which is probably the most important aspect of any monitor, aside from durability, the S14 portable monitor has a 14-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. For me, the image quality is excellent. It's got vibrant colors and sharp details. And in addition to that, it's got wide viewing angles so you can comfortably adjust the screen or even share the screen with others without worrying about not being able to see what's on the screen or glare. The display itself also has a refresh rate of 60 Hz, which is good enough for most applications. In terms of performance, this S14 portable monitor is impressive. I tested it with a variety of applications including web browsing, video playback, and even photo editing, and it handled everything with ease. The colors were accurate, the contrast is good, and the image was crisp and clear. I also tested it out with some games on my Nintendo Switch, and while this is not a gaming monitor, it's definitely good enough for casual gaming. So in conclusion, overall I'm very impressed with this S14 portable monitor from FQQ. It's a great option for anyone who needs an additional display on the go. The image quality is excellent, and the build quality is super solid. The monitor itself is easy to set up and use, and it's got some nice additional features that just make it stand out from the rest. If you're in the market for a portable monitor, I would highly recommend this S14 monitor from FQQ. Now the one feature that I think is missing that would be nice if they would incorporate into this portable monitor that would make it just absolutely perfect is if they incorporated a feature that allows the monitor to swivel. So as you can see, I currently have this portable monitor sitting independent and away from my laptop or any device. And I'm using the Kickstand, but as you can see, the display is currently closed. And in order to open it, I have to swing the display out, which takes up a lot of real estate. It would be nice if I could instead rotate this device and close it so that closed the display faces out. So I think that's probably the one piece of feedback and thing that I don't like about the monitor that I wish would be added as a feature. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Please make sure to also ring that bell icon and leave me a comment down in the section below to let me know what you think of this display. Until next time, see ya.